Igbos in River State are not Igbo. Very funny. I met one mama today. We are talking. She's from Ndoki. And she asked me, where are you from? Nna? I said, I'm from Ndoni. So after we introduced, she was very happy and said, yeah, we are Niger Delta, this and that, this and all that. We are not Igbo. As we are talking, I stopped. I said, Mama, please, why do you say that we are not Igbo? She said, no, we are not Igbo at all. We are Niger Delta and all that. I said, Mama, before we get Nigeria, my ancestors were Igbo, your ancestors too. Before we get Nigeria, and then from Nigeria we get Niger Delta. It is all political. But let me tell you, Mama, if you are not Igbo, I am my people, my community in River State are Igbo. And the Igbo communities in River State are the majority. So, and a River State by an Igbo. It doesn't matter if you want to believe it or not. We talked to the extent that she said something that is very significant. She said, do you know that if you want to change this your name, if you change this your name, you will actually get something from Nigerian government. I said, why would I change my name to get something from the country Nigeria? Is Nigeria even a country to be proud of? At this moment, where insecurity is the order of the day, the Yorubas and the Fulanis and the Hausas, they are not even enjoying the country. So why would I even change my name? Deny my ancestors? The people that have lived over there, fought for me, gave me the land I have today. I will deny them and change my name. I will do no such thing. In my next word, I will question my chief. I will ask my God why. Oh, Bruna, in my next word, they may be Nigerian. Joe God, who ask God why? I will not accept. I like Romia. We are not proud of the country. Mana Abumoni Igbo Kambo. Igbos are not only in the southeast. We are many in other states. And God may be witness that Nani Bundi Igbo, Indian on the southeast are not better, are not more Igbo than us. We are all one. Igbo Amaka, Igbo Bofu. Biko, na asuni Igbo. Na-eme na omenala Igbo maka ife anyị na-eme n'ebe a ka a na-eme. Eke in our town is Eke in other parts of the Igbo, in the whole of Igbo land. So why are we deceiving ourselves?